Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this email platform, which is Mailbird. So to get started with an in-depth review about this platform, Mailbird is still one of the most featured, rich, user-friendly email client in 2025, offering a unified box experience across multiple accounts and platforms. Originally built for Windows, it officially launched its long-awaited macOS version in late 2024, expanding its reach significantly. Mailbird continues to impress users with its clean interface, speed, and integration capabilities. It supports a wide range of third-party tools, including ChatGPT, WhatsApp, Slack, Google Calendar, Trello, and Dropbox, all accessible directly within the app. Other built-in features include message snoozing, speed reading, customizable layout, dark mode, advanced search, and email template. So these features make it an attractive option for productivity-focused professionals who want more than just a basic email functionalities. However, despite its strength, Mailbird has faced a criticism in 2025 for its handling of pricing and product update. Many long-time users who purchase a lifetime license for Mailbird to experience a frustration after being prompted to pay again or deal with upgrade nag in version 3. While the latest updates bring performance improvement, new features, users have reported occasional bug, sync errors, and slight heavier system load, especially on older devices. Additionally, some feels that the push towards the subscription models and lack of transparency around licensing has hurt the app's reputation. Still, for users who want a modern, customizable email client with a deep integration option and multi-account support, Mailbird remains a strong choice in 2025. Just be aware of the recent concern around the upgrades and users' trust. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform, and if you find the video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.